Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Baie-des-Sables is a picturesque village, located on the southern shore of the St. Lawrence River in Quebec. This peaceful community is known for its beautiful sandy beaches, which is how it got its name, Bay of the Sands. Baie-des-Sables has a rich history that dates back to the early days of settlement in Quebec. The area was originally inhabited by the Mi'kmaq people, who were drawn to the region by its rich natural resources. European settlers later arrived in the 17th century, establishing small farming and fishing communities along the coast. One of the highlights of Baie-des-Sables is its stunning coastline. The village is blessed with long stretches of sandy beach, perfect for a relaxing walk or a day by the water. The views of the St. Lawrence River are simply breathtaking, especially at sunrise or sunset. Agriculture and fishing have always been important to the people of Baie-des-Sables, and you can still see evidence of this today in the fields and boats along the shore. As we explore Baie-des-Sables, you'll notice the tranquility of the area. It's a place where you can slow down, enjoy the natural beauty, and feel a deep connection to the land and water. Whether you're here for the beaches, the history, or just to unwind, Baie-des-Sables has something special to offer.